Hi, my name is Warner Lewis of the Lewis team, and I'm thrilled to take you on a tour today of Penthouse 4G, a spectacular 3-bedroom in the sky with the absolute best unobstructed views of Manhattan you will find anywhere in Brooklyn. There really is nothing like the views from this apartment. A ferry going by, the Empire State Building, all of downtown, and the water in Williamsburg Bridge. Here in the kitchen you have the added bonus of a window with incredible views towards Manhattan and get to entertain and cook at the same time if you so choose. Besides the incredible layout being on the absolute top of the building, the signature aspect of this apartment is outdoor square footage with incredible views of Manhattan. Here is the ground level terrace right off the living room, exactly where you want it to be. Wrap around and you have views of Brooklyn, south towards the water and the bridge, and then of course the western view towards Manhattan. Right off the living room you have the perfect primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom and incredible views of Brooklyn. Next to it you have a secondary bedroom with its own bathroom, allowing you to have ample space with 2 bedrooms right next to each other. This 3rd bedroom, which is right off the entryway, is perfect as an office, a guest room with incredible views of Manhattan and beautiful sunsets at night. So we already showed you downstairs outdoor square footage, which was spectacular, but this is way over the top. A private roof terrace above your apartment with more than ample space to entertain as many people as you'd like. Again, with these incredible views, perfectly timed with 2 boats crossing in the distance of Manhattan. You're on the top of the best building in the best neighborhood. There's nothing more you could ask for. Again, thank you so much for taking this tour with me today of Penthouse 4G at the Edge. If you would like to see it, reach out to me or any member of the Lewis team, and we'd love to show it to you.